how leverage works in an AI economy. When people hear the word leverage, they often think of debt, borrowed money, risk, magnified gains and losses. But that's only one form of leverage. In an AI economy, the most powerful leverage is structural, not financial. And understanding how it works changes how you see opportunity. What leverage really means? At its core, leverage is simple. It's the ability to apply a small input and produce a disproportionately large output. Leverage allows effort to compound. Historically, leverage came from capital, labor, ownership of resources. AI introduces a new layer of leverage, one that operates through systems, information, and scale. The shift from linear to nonlinear work. In a traditional economy, most work is linear. You put in an hour, you get an hour's worth of output. Skills mattered because output was tied to time. Experience increased efficiency. But AI breaks this relationship. Once a system is built up, output is no longer limited by hours. That's the first major shift. The 4 types of leverage in an AI economy. Let's break this down clearly. 1. Computational leverage. AI can process information, detect patterns, execute decisions at speeds no human can match. When computation is applied to decisions, small advantages multiply, and this is why trading algorithms matter. Recommendation systems shape behavior. Optimization engines outperform intuition. Computational leverage works quietly. It doesn't announce itself. It simply outperforms over time. 2. System leverage. AI doesn't just do tasks. It connects tasks into workflows. When AI is embedded into decision pipelines, feedback loops, automated processes, it creates systems that run continuously, improve with data, scale without proportional effort. This is where leverage compounds, not from effort, but from structure. 3. Information leverage. In an AI economy, information is abundant, but attention is scarce. Leverage comes from filtering information, prioritizing signals, reducing noise. AI-driven filters decide what people see, what feels relevant, what influences decisions. Those who understand how information is filtered gain leverage without creating anything new. 4. Distribution leverage. Distribution is often overlooked, but it's one of the most powerful forms of leverage. AI amplifies distribution by optimizing content delivery, matching messages to audiences, scaling reach with minimal effort. When AI meets distribution, output detaches from effort. A single system can reach thousands, millions, or more without increasing workload. Why most people don't feel this leverage? Here's the paradox. AI is everywhere, but leverage feels rare. Why? Because leverage isn't in using AI, it's in positioning AI. Most people use AI tools individually, apply them to isolated tasks. Stop at productivity gains. That creates convenience, not leverage. Leverage emerges when AI is embedded into systems. Outcomes are automated. Feedback loops exist. The compounding effect. The real power of AI leverage is compounding. Each improvement feeds the next, reduces friction, increases efficiency. Over time, small advantages widen into structural gaps. This is why early system builders pull ahead quietly, not overnight, but relentlessly. Leverage is about ownership. One critical distinction: using AI inside someone else's system creates limited leverage. Owning the system creates compounding leverage. Ownership doesn't always mean equity, capital, or building technology. It can mean controlling workflows, designing decision rules, owning data, or managing distribution. Leverage follows ownership. What this means for individuals: you don't need to chase every AI trend. You need to understand where AI reduces friction, where it scales decisions, where it creates asymmetry. The key question isn't, what can AI do? It's, where does AI amplify outcomes without requiring proportional effort? That's leverage. The real difference. In an AI economy, effort matters less. Positioning matters more. Those who align with leverage build once, improve gradually, and benefit continuously. Those who don't stay busy, stay skilled, but remain linear. This isn't about intelligence, it's about structure. AI doesn't eliminate work. It changes where work matters. Leverage no longer comes from doing more. It comes from designing better systems. And those who understand how leverage works in an AI economy won't just work harder. They'll operate at a completely different scale. In the next video, we'll explore why speed beats intelligence in modern markets. Subscribe to FinAI Verse for calm, clear insights on AI, leverage, and the future of money before the signal gets lost in the noise.